The Shodor website has some really neat interactives. There's other things you can investigate. The online activities is what I'm going to focus on, but if you are a science teacher and they also have now added computational science education, you might want to explore further. But like I said, I'm focusing on the online activities. So under students, there's online activities, an educator online activities, and activities and lessons. The separates the activities into the different categories. The educator online activity and the student online activities both end up at this page. See how this is the educator page and this is the student page, okay? But their content is the same. The interactives are super cool. I've liked them for years. So you can go to the activities under learners, and there's different ways to sort. You can sort by subject or sort by audience. So here by subject, you can see all the different math subjects and science. So just say I was looking something under science. Now, they obviously don't have as much science as they do math. In fact, I was originally just going to recommend this site for math people, but they say they have science activities. Practice reading a clock. I'm not sure how that's science, but great. Here's a Venn diagram. So when you click on something, it will open up the interactive and it can tell you a couple things. For example, it'll tell you what is clockwise and it gives you specifics about it. It gives you related resources that you could use as well. Under the instructor tab, it tells you where it would go into the mathematics curriculum, what you should be prepared for, once again, the related resources. And then there are different standards. Notice there aren't all the state standards, but at least you could pick Common Core standards and see what a standard is. You can also, besides sort by subject, you can sort by audience. So you can pick a grade band, 3 through 5, 6 through 8, 9 through 12, undergraduate, show everything. So if I was looking something for middle school, I could click on it and it says there's 127 things that relate to middle school. Now, you can narrow this down by clicking in a keyword up here. It depends on how they created their keyword searches. Some of the things you might put in there, maybe it doesn't find anything or it finds something and you're not related. So let's do, sorry, not geography, geometry. No wonder there's no geography. So instead of 127, now there's 13 that have to do with geometry. So you can sort by subject, you can sort by audience, and once again, here's Area Explorer. Gives you information for the learner, what you might want to suggest to them, has related resources. There's the activity, there's help about how to use the activity, and information for the instructor. So if you're looking for interactives, I really think this site is great. You can also look under instructors for lessons as well, and they have the same feature in terms of sort by subject or sort by audience. So if you're looking for specific grade level, it's probably best to do sort by audience and then possibly pick one of the subjects that they had on the other page. I can't remember, but I'm going to put in fractions because I assume they'd have something related to fractions. They have one lesson related to fractions for 3rd through 5th grade. So the search process works the same way whether you're looking for interactives or lessons. You can look at the different things, the tools, but tools are basically interactives as well. So your primary places are going to be looking on for the online activities. I have not really searched through the different curriculums. If that is something, any of the information down here, that things that it would work for you, feel free to explore any of the resources. I tend not to have too many high school science teachers in my classes, but if you are one, let me know if any of this stuff is good, and you can use any resources from the site to complete this activity.